So, Snags, what do we have going on here?
We got a red-tailed hawk. And that thing's freaking huge. Look at him.
And he just ate.
Oh, check that out.
Oh, cool. That's definitely worth a video.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, check that one out there. He's currently going to the bathroom. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
One more for the camera? Maybe not. Okay. Please? Please, you're on camera.
Well, you know, it's been fun. Murph?
Barn house?
Huh.
Oh, dude. Yes.
No, look at him up there. He kind of reminds me of a wizard, you know.
Harry
Potter.
Not quite.
Harry Potter.
I don't even like Harry Potter.
You know Mr. Stevens from the junior high? Remember him? That's who he reminds me of.
Yeah, kind of. I guess.